Welcome back to our Holstein Friesian documentary. In Part R, we'll discover why this remarkable breed is the world's most popular dairy cow. From its impressive body structure to its exceptional milk production, the Holstein Friesian has become the backbone of commercial dairy farming across the globe. Holstein Friesian cattle are known for their excellent genetics, fast growth, and outstanding productivity. They are widely raised in Europe, North America, Australia, Asia, and many other countries because they consistently produce large quantities of high-quality milk under proper farm management. A mature Holstein Friesian cow usually weighs 580 to 700 kilograms, while an adult bull can weigh 900 to 1,200 kilograms. These animals have a large frame, deep chest, powerful legs, and a strong udder designed for heavy milk production. Their famous black and white coat makes them one of the easiest cattle breeds to recognize, although red and white Holsteins are also found. Milk production is the greatest strength of this breed. Under good feeding and management, a healthy Holstein cow can produce 8,000 to 12,000 liters of milk in one lactation, while elite cows with superior genetics may produce even more. Their milk contains valuable fat and protein, making it suitable for drinking as well as producing butter, cheese, yogurt, and other dairy products. A newborn Holstein calf normally weighs 35 to 45 kilograms. Farmers provide colostrum immediately after birth because it strengthens the calf's immune system and supports healthy development. Balanced nutrition, clean water, comfortable housing, and regular veterinary care help calves grow into productive dairy animals. Modern dairy farms focus on animal welfare by providing clean housing, soft bedding, proper ventilation, cooling systems during hot weather, routine health checks, and balanced nutrition. These practices improve both animal health and milk production. Holstein Friesian cattle perform best with quality forage, silage, hay, concentrates, minerals, vitamins, and unlimited clean water. Proper breeding, preventive health care, and professional management ensure long-term productivity and a healthy herd. In Part 3, we'll discuss feeding programs, breeding methods, common diseases, and expert dairy farming tips. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you in Part 3.